In this video, we'll take a look at the different ways of adding money to your partner's accounts. Every partner account has a sub-tab on the left for invoicing/billing with a number of options, and the little eye icon next to each of them will explain their use. You can give the partner a credit limit, so if you click that option and enter a number larger than 0, that will be the amount of money they will be able to spend on leads. So for example, if you give them $500 as a limit, their account transaction balance will decrease with every bought lead until it reaches -500, and they will no longer be able to buy leads. Alternatively, you can select no limit, which will ignore the amount set in the box, and their credit will be unlimited. There's also a number of other switches which enable you to modify their authorized.net CIM settings if they are using this payment gateway. We'll focus on these settings in a separate video. Below that is the Add Funds section, where you can add the details of the credit card or bank account that is going to be charged for this partner. The list of payments at the bottom will show the payment responses from the selected payment gateway, for example, authorized.net or PayPal. The second tab at the top is for Invoicing Report, which is a way to export the Transactions tab, which we'll take a look at later. Here you can select the lead type, date range, and the type of transactions to show. So for example, lead transactions only for lead charges, or non-lead transactions, which will export payments and credits done via the Transactions tab or the Payment Gateway. Another way to add funds to a partner's account is to do it manually in the Transactions tab. This tab shows every transaction change and gives you the ability to manually add or subtract money from this partner's account. Just select the operation type, enter the amount, and click Add. You can also filter their past transactions to see credits, charges, or refunds. Keep in mind that these transactions take place only within this page. The client's credit card or bank account will not actually be credited or charged if you change their balance here.